Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to create slow motion effects within DaVinci Resolve. Here is the footage we will be working with. Before we begin, remember that slowing down footage shot at 24 frames per second can result in a choppy appearance. While possible, it isn't ideal for smooth results. To start, right-click your video clip on the timeline. From the menu, choose Change Clip Speed or Change Clip Duration. Alternatively, you can simply use the keyboard shortcut R. Once the settings window appears, adjust the speed by dragging the value. For instance, to make it half as fast, set it to 50%. Hit the Change button to apply the effect. You will notice the clip has now slowed down. If your original file was only 24 FPS, reducing it by half drops it to 12 FPS, which causes that stuttering look. For professional, fluid slow motion, it is better to use clips recorded at 30, 60, or even 120 FPS. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next tutorial.